Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Stanley number 8Q00187-626. This is a Deadlatch peel away protective paper over the 626 finish on the latch. Indicates the UL listing. The F also is a label or a mark that you'd be looking for as well to determine fire resistance. That R number is going to relate to a, think of it as a listing number that would be a record locator for a file at the testing laboratory agency who did the testing on this. Obviously it was UL. It's a UL listed product. Okay. This would be appropriate and required for installation on fire-rated doors. This is a 2 3/4 latch bolt is what it is, and it's for a keyed function, except for a corridor function. Apparently from Stanley there's a different latch bolt for the corridor function, so this would be for all keyed functions except corridor functions, where you needed a 2 3/4 backset, latch bolt, square corners, and 1 1/8 wide faceplate. So this faceplate is going to be 2 1/4 tall. It's going to be 1 1/8 wide. It'll have square corners. Now nowhere on here does it measure 2 3/4. This is for a cylindrical lock, and right about this area here is where it connects to its chassis. Well, that's generally about 1 inch short, about 1 1/16 actually, from here to the center of the board hole. So it should be about 1 3/4 right to about here. Not that you would know that or need to know that, but that's, you know, that's what tells me, other than just experience and looking at this, that this is 2 3/4. Again, a dead latch function. When that dead latch is properly installed, it's retracted on the face of the strike plate. It's not in the hole. And when that's properly installed, you can't Lloyd that or tamper that latch bolt. If it's not properly installed, I can just push it in. So make sure that if you have a keyed function, that it's not only a dead latch style latch bolt, but it's also properly installed, so that you can't just shim or jimmy or Lloyd the latch bolt open. Obviously going to be available in all of the same finishes that your locks will be available in. Your brass, your chrome, your bronze, your oil rubbed. They have a full complement of latch bolts as well. Radius corner you can do. 2 3/8 you can do. You can do 3 3/4 for this Qcl200. This is for a Qcl200 series lock. 3 3/4 latch bolt, 5 inch you can do as well. They have spring latches naturally, 1 inch wide face. This is probably going to be going into a hollow metal door would be my guess. It could be a wood door as well. But a 161 prep is what the terminology is within the industry to describe a door that's been prepped for a cylindrical lock or a tubular lock that has a 2 1/8 inch hole at 2 3/4 backset, that has an 1 1/4 wide, 1 1/4 tall, 1 1/8 wide faceplate, 5/32 deep is what it is. There's a link below this video to a document called Product Catalog, where you can take a look at the overview of the Qcl200 series locks. And then finally there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page, where you can pull up not only all of the Stanley products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Stanley? This is their part number 8Q00199, 2 3/4 latch bolt, or any other Stanley product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.